A cloudburst triggered a flash flood in Chisoti village of Kishtwar district, killing at least 65 people and injuring more than 100 others. The rescue and relief operations are underway at war footing. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah also visited the spot and took stock of the situation. Here's a ground report.
Devastation, destruction and deaths all around. This is how a cloudburst unleashed mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar. Over 100 people missing and at least 60 dead. The base camp in Chisoti village for the Machail Mata Yatra was bustling with pilgrims when the cloudburst took place. The flash flood swept away houses, shops and vehicles. Chief Minister Omar Abdullah visited the spot and took stock of the situation and met the grieving families.
The number of missing as of now is in the region of about 70 to 80. That is verified information. Given the scale of the disaster that you've seen yourself, and the number of people, this cloudburst at any time would have been dangerous.
जिनके मकान डैमेज हो गए हों पूरी तरह से, उनको 1,30,000 रुपया दिया जाता है और जो इंजर्ड हैं उनको भी धनराशि दी जाती है। लेकिन अब यहाँ पर स्थिति ऐसी है कि कई लोग जिनके मकान बह गए, उनके पास अब ज़मीन ही नहीं है जहाँ पर अपना मकान बनाएं, तो उनको मकान बनाने के लिए ज़मीन भी दी जाएगी और साथ ही साथ कुछ NGOs के थ्रू उनको मकान भी बना के दिए जाएंगे।
Search and rescue operations are underway on a war footing. However, the rough terrain continues to disrupt the rescue efforts.
There is no reservation on the part of the government, and Prime Minister himself has made it very clear that all kind of assistance and all kind of rehabilitation measures will also be taken, and that is precisely what he has also assured the UT government.
JCB machines are being used to clear the debris. NDRF personnel, SDRF personnel are working round the clock, and the priority is to trace all those who continue to be missing. The authorities are trying their level best to provide all kind of assistance to the affected people. But you can see here that people are in immense pain. They are yet to come to terms with what has happened here. But the authorities, you see, are on their job. JCB machines are in action. They are clearing the debris and the rubble, and the effort is being made to retrieve the bodies who may be trapped in the rubble.
It's a race against time for the forces to save as many lives as they can. With Sunilji Bhatt in Kishtwar, Bureau Report, India Today.